Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile Experience Beyond plan, including the biggest features like 250 GB of hotspot data, free phone deals and premium perks. So this is currently T-Mobile's highest tier consumer plan, designed for the people who want the maximum data, travel benefits and upgrade options in 2026. So the Experience Beyond plan is T-Mobile's top tier unlimited plan. It includes unlimited talk, unlimited text, and unlimited premium 5G data on the T-Mobile's network. Unlike the basic plans, this one is designed for heavy users who want the highest priority data speeds, international features, and device upgrade benefits. This pricing typically starts around $100 per month per line, with lower prices per line when you add multiple lines to a family account. Now, one of the biggest highlights of this plan is the 250 GB of the high-speed mobile hotspot data every single month. This means you can share your phone's internet connection with laptops, tablets, and other devices without worrying about running out of the data quickly. Another big benefits of the Experience Beyond plan is access to some of T-Mobile's best phone promotions. For example, adding a line on this plan can sometimes get you the flagship phones like Galaxy S26 Ultra for free through the promotional bill credits. The plan also includes a bundle of entertainment benefits. Subscriptions, the subscribers can get Netflix with ads including Hulu included, Apple TV available at the discounted monthly prices. So the Experience Beyond plan is best for the people who want maximum data, large hotspots allowances, premium streaming perks, and frequent phone upgrades. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.